So today I have an eggshell milkshake. It's like little crushed eggshells down here in water for my tomatoes. Nice little calcium smoothie for it to make sure I don't get blossom end rot, and just to make sure they're okay because they're not holding on to any blooms and it's kind of really sad, right? Yeah. Alright, so this is my Cherokee tomato. Cherokee purple tomato. Wow. Nice, good. Calcium tea. Sorry for all the noise. I swear they are always cutting grass here. Always. It's trying to move. Hornworm number 2. So, see, you can actually see the red horn on this one. This one doesn't have it yet. I don't know, but this one's striations are a bit different too, right? In comparison to this one. I'm gonna squish them both for now. But anyway, let's get a close-up of these flowers, right? It's like, you see what they do? They get like all shriveled up and dry like this. I don't know if that's normal or not. And they just like fall off. I'm really sad about. Like, I want tomatoes. I love tomatoes so much and I really want them. So I'm gonna try spraying some fertilizer on them as well. Habanero. But on another note, here's my baby habanero. There's another baby. I see caterpillar poo. Is it caterpillar poo? It looks like, yep. And there's there's a nice big tomato hornworm, or Tabasco hornworm. Tabasco, it has a reddish tail. Yeah. I have to pick that off now. And here's another baby. Right? So like you can see all 3 of them right here. And then I have one that's coming in like right there too. Right? You can see it's coming in. It's pretty damn cool. Now for me to get rid of this hornworm. I wonder if there are any more on here. It doesn't look like it. Looks like it's the only one. And here it is. Oh, gross and ugly like. I'm gonna squish it so, you know, I don't get too attached to it. Hey YouTube, so we are on our way to A to Z fabric store so I can pick out fabric for a special project that I'm working on. Look at the size of these raindrops. Fabric store. Get some fabrics. Sweet. There's a lot in here. So, back from the fabric trip, I just want to show you what I got. Went to 2 different stores. Yeah. So, I got this from A to Z Fabrics, basic gray, this green color, the under material that I'm going to use for all of them. Also got this purple and this like flannel-like material. And then from Hobby Lobby, got this pink polka dots, and this pink polka dots with pineapples. I love this fabric. And then I got this one too. This one's like really cute too. And it's like gold triangles fabric. And then this beautiful blue. Yeah. So these are my fabrics. The start of my new project that I will be working on. I'm just into my gardening. So yeah, I'm like very excited for this. And I'll tell you what it is soon once I actually get started to making everything. So, I'm out in the garden again. And today I will be planting these colorful beet mix here, right? Along with these carrots in my bed currently to fill in some gaps and just, around the place and whatnot because I can. Also, we'll be planting some garlic, and I will be trimming this. I don't know what's happening with my zucchini plant, but this one in particular isn't doing too great, although it's springing new leaves, so, just gonna trim it and see what happens. Alright? I also practically almost killed my tomato plants again, but they're springing back. Let's just take a quick little look because it looks like it's gonna rain soon. You see, they're no longer looking all dead and stuff, and I got some flowers in here. This one too, right? But this one was a bush variety, and it's like not doing very well because I had to cut it, and I don't know what it's gonna do. I might just pull it out and plant something else there, like a tomatillo. This one completely died too. That was my Black Prince tomato, yeah. And then we have this guy here, who is growing some new growth on this side, so that's pretty good. I'm just gonna cut off these pieces. Yeah. Alright. So, here's the garlic that I'm planting, right? It's an average ass white garlic I got at the grocery store. Apparently it works to grow because I've grown others, so, whatever. So you put this side down and the top pointed up. And you have to make sure you do this because if not, you'll have really weird looking garlic plants. How do I plant my garlic, you might ask? Literally just like this. Right? In you go. In. Cover. And that's how I plant garlic. Nothing super fancy or sophisticated. There are a lot of ants in here. And if you haven't figured out yet, I'm fed up with all these motherfucking ants in my motherfucking garden. I'm gonna figure out a way to kill them, even if I have to kill them using chemicals, because I just can't. Even look at all these mushrooms, right? I pulled out a little baby beet. The top was dead, so I thought maybe it was ready, but it's not. I think we're still gonna eat it though. And I have planted more beets here, and I'm in the process of planting some carrots. I'm eating carrots. I don't really know what the germination rate of these things are, so I'm just gonna throw them in there and hope for the best. Here is my creature shot for the week. Hello, creature. Hi. What you doing? Yeah, you just, yeah. Meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Oh, meow. Meow. You sniffing outside? You can almost sense the freedom, huh? But you can't get past big old guard lady, huh? So you just sniff. Yes, you like dirty outside hands, don't you? Yes, you do. So anyone that knows me knows that one of my favorite movies ever is fried green tomatoes, right? So I'm making a fried green tomato sandwich because I love fried green tomatoes, and the store actually had them, right? Since I have no tomatoes of my own yet. So, that's how I basically do it. Cut up my tomatoes, cut them kind of thick, and then I have some flour mixture here. It's like flour, salt, pepper. I have one egg and an egg yolk, 1 egg and hemp milk, my bad. And I also have Italian breadcrumbs and cornmeal mixture here. And I have this ready for when I'm finished dredging them. I put them here before, so while my oil is frying, and I'm waiting for my oil to heat up. I don't have my frying pan out yet, but I will shortly, so you know. Yeah. Bubble, 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 bubble. We got Texas toast for my toast. It's coming along nicely. Beautiful golden brown, right? Yeah. I also at the last minute decided to make a dal puri because I love the stomach. And it's like this chutney that I have here. This chutney's delicious. So it's over here cooking up in this oil since I already had the oil out. Yeah. So the meal is complete. We have Texas toast, right? With fried green tomatoes and kale from the garden. Yeah. More fried green tomatoes. And I also have dal puri here. Dal puri is delicious. So, yeah. Mix of Indian and Southern food, right? Crazy. So here we have a puppy. Hi. Hey, puppy. Oh, he's so bright. He's so cute. He's so cute. You your eye crusties. He's sleeping. How do you just pull?
Yes.
Oh.
Nice big one. First crop.
It's so beautiful. It's raining. Look, it's so cute. And it's raining, so we run inside. My habanero, my jalapeno is going to be ready soon, too. Look at this creature. Hello.